Welcome to pineconemusicstudio, Georgetown's premier music school. We implemented changes to our studio, policies, and procedures to ensure your health and safety. We equipped every studio room with webcams that allow students to choose between online lessons or lessons in studio. Students can switch between formats as needed. Cloth masks are mandatory for all who enter our studio. Students can access hand sanitizer at the entrance and in each studio. Our plexi-glass shields add an extra layer of protection and comfort. Teachers will disinfect studios before and after every lesson. We ask that students wait in their vehicles outside and arrive no more than 5 minutes before their lesson time. We ask students, parents, and customers to limit their time inside the waiting room to ensure physical distancing. Students will enter the studio rooms where their instructors will wait for them to minimize traffic in our hallway. For more information, please contact us or visit our website.